I look like a disaster right now, but good morning. I'm a little sick right now. At first I thought I was just losing my voice, so I'm probably gonna sound a little weird. I actually don't have class today until 1 p.m. Today is gonna be more of like a chill morning routine. I'm not really gonna be on campus during this morning routine. My days kind of switch, so one day I start at 1 p.m. and then the next day I start at 9, and then Fridays I have no classes. Seriously, the best schedule I've probably ever had. My first 2 semesters in college, 8 a.m.s every single day of the week. So this semester is really making up for that, and I'm so happy about it. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified as soon as I post a video. And yeah, I'm definitely sick. I'm gonna be taking like cough drops and all that stuff today. All right, let's go. Ew. Oh no, no, no. You know what? I look beautiful. Who is that? Okay. Ooh. Alright, so the first thing I love to do every morning is just to kind of get on Pinterest. Right now, I'm just really looking at fall aesthetics, fall room decor, and all things fall. I love using Pinterest as a way to find inspiration for my daily life. So after a while, I do kind of force myself to get up. It usually doesn't go well, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Finally then, I do get out of bed. I somewhat do my bed. Honestly, I kind of like the whole messy look. I think that a messy bed is pretty aesthetic. I don't know why. I kind of just leave it like that. Yeah, that's like as good as it's gonna get. Like, I'm not gonna go through that struggle. So something I love doing after is just kind of opening up all the curtains in my room. I love letting the light in. It's just one of my favorite things to do. Put on a scrunchie and then I head straight to the bathroom to do all of my like morning necessities. I always start off by putting my hair back. This honestly just prevents it from coming all over my face. I've currently been using the Bath & Body Works fall hand soaps. Those are so good. Truly recommend. And then after that, I kind of just put my contacts on, brush my teeth, floss. I find that if I don't floss in the morning, I'm just likely to not floss at all throughout the day, so I like to just get that out of the way. The 2 morning skincare products that I use are the Thayer's Witch Hazel and the Glossier Exfoliator Solution. For the exfoliator, I usually just use that 2 or 3 times a week, but then the Witch Hazel, I use that pretty much every day. It's like my holy grail. In my room, I do have the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. I honestly go ham on this all the time. I love spraying it. And then I just put on some daily SPF sunscreen from Glossier. It's honestly so refreshing. I love the scent, and I actually feel like I'm doing something good for my skin every morning. Next, I just head to the kitchen, make myself some lemon water. I usually pour my lemon water into a mason jar with a little metal straw. I do have some pre-cut lemons most of the time. Another thing I love doing if I'm not running late or anything is just to turn on the diffuser. But today I was just kind of feeling like putting on the lemon essential oil. I had no idea how easy it was to like properly work a diffuser until my roommate got this one. Another favorite thing I love to do most mornings is make an acai bowl. I just get these packs from Kroger, but I'm sure you could get them at pretty much like Trader Joe's or any other grocery store. I put it in hot water a little bit, break it down so it's easier to blend. And then I just pour it all into my NutriBullet cup. I honestly just love this as a morning breakfast because it's really healthy and it has so many other benefits to it. This was actually my first time trying the Dole veggie and fruits that are already pre-frozen, but I've also tried just freezing a few bananas and putting those in there. I do add some silk almond milk because my strawberries tend to go bad pretty quickly. I added a few of those in there as well. I just pretty much blend everything together. You know you're doing it the right way if it's not really blending easily, just because it's not supposed to be a liquid. It is supposed to be a little bit like a solid consistency. I just pour it into a bowl. I love to top it off with some regular banana slices. Love adding almonds to it. I feel like they have so many benefits. Granola from Trader Joe's is honestly the best. I add that as well with some coconut flakes. And then I do usually top it off with chia seeds. Done with my acai bowl. It was so good, you guys. I forgot to say that if you add like peanut butter or almond butter peanut butter, that adds a whole nother flavor to it. It tastes so good together. I'm still kind of finishing my lemon water, and then my dummy self friggin' dropped my coconut flakes because I went to go get more because I wanted to add more. They just fell. So I actually need to pick this up before my roommate comes here because she's gonna kill me. Don't tell her that I told you guys that, but yeah, she's gonna kill me if she sees this. After I have my little morning breakfast, I do like to get the dishes out of the way, mainly just so I won't have to worry about food sticking to like plates and bowls and things like that. And then I just clean up any other mess that I made in the kitchen. And then after that, I just like to change into my outfit of the day. So nothing too fancy going on with my outfit. I just decided to keep on this little tank top from Garage. I honestly like live in this thing. These shorts that I have are actually Nike shorts. They are from Dick's Sporting Goods. I just like love the color that it has on the sides right here. And then just for my tennis shoes, I have these Adidas NMDs. It's just like my classic go-tos when I want to be comfy. So yeah, and then I just have my scrunchie right here that's from Ulta. Also, I think I have decided that I'm not gonna do my hair or makeup. My hair, I'm honestly like completely fine with. I just kind of like the whole messy look, honestly. And then I did go to Music Midtown this past weekend and I wore like so much makeup, obviously, just because I wanted to look cute and all that stuff and take some pictures. So I think I'm just gonna give my skin a little break. Just gonna keep it very casual today. I did show you guys these vitamins in my favorites video, but I'm actually gonna take 2 of them right now. These are just kind of my daily vitamins. After I change, I just like to fill up my hydro flask with some water. I do try to make it a goal to drink as much water as I can every single day. If I fill it up in the morning, I'm most likely to finish it by the end of the day. Okay, so I just kind of have my agenda out here. I'm gonna do some planning, and I'm also just checking some emails. Exciting news. So Princess Polly actually reached out to me on Instagram like not too long ago, and they actually want to collaborate with me. So definitely follow me on my Instagram because pictures are soon to come with some Princess Polly items. I'm so excited. So yeah, definitely follow me on there. Another thing I'm gonna kind of do is just update my syllabi. Usually I just like highlight what we've already done, but I kind of need to update that for most of my syllabi that that I have in other classes. By the way, you guys, this binder method has been working so well for me. I don't necessarily carry it to class, but it's really nice knowing that I have everything for one class in one like section. I just kind of use this folder that I just cut in half to divide everything. And then another thing that I haven't really made public is that I'm running the social media for the Delight on my campus, so I'll have their Instagram somewhere on the screen. Definitely check it out. I'm still working on the feed and everything, but I've been having so much fun just kind of coming up with their posts and things like that. Every week we read through a story. It's just kind of like a devotional. For this next week we're doing this one, so I'm just gonna kind of read through it just because I want to make sure that I pull some good quotes on here that I could use on our Instagram. Another update, actually, I have been freaking loving these markers. They're all out of color coordinated order now, but I've been using them and I am so stupid. I actually thought that it only came with like one side, like the highlighter side, but it actually does come with the marker side. I had no idea until I started using these to study and stuff, so I thought that was pretty cool. But yeah, this is basically what the rest of my day is gonna look like. That is actually gonna be it for today's morning routine. I usually do leave around like 12:40 so that I could get to my 1 p.m. class in time. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's little video. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. Again, so much good content is coming up. Make sure to turn your post notifications on.